Hey witches, so today's video is actually going to be like a couple weeks in the making. Right now it is still January, and this is a fun part of my life. I was exposed to somebody who has the sickness, the virus, the plague. So I'm like quarantined in my house for the next couple days until I get my COVID test back, which I just got back from doing. So this is kind of a fun hop back in time. Hopefully, I hopefully don't have it. I feel fine, but you know, it's always good to be sure. So anyways, today I decided I was going to actually start working on a project that I've been thinking about a lot for the last couple weeks, and I am putting together a self-care altar. So you can add literally whatever you want to your self-care altar. Hopefully this gives you some like ideas, and you don't have to go as all out as I do because I just don't do anything small. So that's just my personality, you know. Why not? So the first thing that I'm gonna put on there is actually the peace jar that we made like a month ago-ish by the time you're seeing this. And this is like what mine looks like. It has like the candle and the little charm on it, and I'm knocking wax off of it. It's fine. But I'm gonna be taking this and I'm gonna put it on there. Now you can put this altar, it can be on anything you want. You can have it like on a specific table or like I don't know, a shelf in your bookcase. I, again, am just extra. So my boyfriend is like an amazing woodworker. So I had him build me a shelf, and I'm so demanding, I'm the worst, but I wanted it to look kind of like medieval. So I just want to like give him a shout out for like, well, look at that. Look at that. Look at it. It's beautiful. And I'll hit myself in the face. So this is and there's the other side. It's just like so beautiful. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and paint this. I'm gonna paint it white, and which is almost a shame because it is really beautiful, but I do want it to be white. And I'm gonna paint some cool stuff. Like I want to paint the moon phases here, like in lavender, on the back. So I'm gonna go do that because I have 3 days that I gotta stay in my house, and I'm gonna do lots of crafts. But yeah, so these are the first two parts of it, and as I get more items, I will show them to you.
I love it.
Okay, hopefully you guys can all see me. It has been like 2 or 3 weeks since the last video you saw, and as you can see, I have my self-care altar all finished. But before I talk about that, I just wanted to show you guys, look how cool this necklace is. Oh my gosh. My friend Faith makes crystal jewelry, so if you guys are in the market for that, definitely hit her up. Her store is called Twin Leaf Jewelry, and I'm linking it in the comments, so just a little plug if you guys want to go check out her stuff. It's really beautiful. She made me this like really nice rose quartz, and it's like wrapped really cool. Ooh, can you see it? It's really neat. So now that you've been too close to my face, I'm going to show you my peace altar. Okay, guys, so I'm going to start off with the crystals that I used in this. The first one, I already had this. This is a big old piece of amethyst, which is like really beautiful, and this was given to me for my birthday like a couple years ago, and I've just like been obsessed with it. So it's really nice, and I figured amethyst being one of the better self-care stones, it'd be nice to have a big old chunk of it. The next 3 that I have here, sorry for my nails, actually came in a like herb, incense, and crystal pack, and I will link that as well down below. So I have rhodochrosite, moonstone, sorry, I almost said new moon, that's not right, moonstone, and tiger's eye. So I have those, very pretty on my crystals. The next thing I got was actually this resin and rose gold pyramid, like resin pyramid. I don't know. It has gold and actual rose petals in it and stuff, and that was really just pretty. So I thought it would make a good addition, and it has some like little crystals in it and stuff. So it's really neat, and it's a pretty decent size, I would say. So I'm gonna put that right there. It's actually heavier than you would expect. So then of course we have our spell jar that we did with a little charm on it. All of the crystals in there. You can see, hopefully this isn't giving anyone vertigo. I'm really sorry. But yeah, it has all the Himalayan pink salt. I have 2 cones of incense that came in that incense and crystal and herb pack. I'm not 100% sure what they are. It wasn't listed, and I think it was kind of just a grab bag, but it is really pretty, and hopefully I will find a dish soon that I can burn these in. And then finally I have, well, actually this is 2 parts. So part of this, like the underneath part, Well, this glass thing I got, I guess. I should start with that. I got that at a thrift store for like $1. The 2 pieces of Palo Santo and the geode and these like bigger flowers were given to me by my mother for Valentine's Day. It's like a self-care healing kit. She has no idea that I do these videos, so I thought it was really sweet that she got that for me. And then underneath, I don't know if you can see, there are some like little yellow flowers and little pieces of lavender kind of towards the edge there. So that's St. John's wort, I believe, and lavender, and there's a bunch of other little flowers in there that came in that herb and incense and crystal pack as well. So just want to show you guys the finished piece. Da 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 da. Ignore those like 2 weird things on my wall. So yeah, anyways, there's my peace altar. I hope you guys are inspired. And if you have any questions, let me know. Bye, guys.